What is up, YouTube or TikTok? We got Chick-fil-A. Let's try it. Let's rate it 1 out of 10. First up, we got us a spicy chicken sandwich. So good. Ooh, look at that. No sauce. See what's in there. You got the fries. These are all the sauces I got. Let's get all the sauces open. Oh my God, you should have more sauce. Something different. Putting y'all here. If you don't know about the honey roasted barbecue sauce, you tweak it, twin. All right, let's get this fried taste. In the Chick-fil-A sauce. Content. Back with it. Frying the Polynesian. Let's try it. 1 out of 10. Barbecue sauce. I ain't never had Chick-fil-A barbecue sauce, so we just gonna see what it's hitting on. It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. It ain't nothing too crazy. Right here, tell me, something different. See. It's something different, huh? You know, I like my food extra spicy, so we got the zesty sauce off the spicy chicken sandwich. See what's in there. Come on. Let's see what's in. Can't forget the Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm trying to tell you. Shit busting, twin. Oh shit, that's a lot. I ain't even doing that. See what's in there. Let me wash all that down. Let's see, we got the strawberry milkshake. Oh God, nigga, stomach about to be finished. Shout out to him. Alright, now I'm just gonna turn it into an eating haul for y'all. I'll give it the fries were a nice 8 out of 10, and the chicken sandwich was a nice 9.5. It could have been a little bit more crispier and a little bit more done, but it was perfect actually. And the milkshake, I give that a 10. It was good. And the sauces, if you hadn't had the sauces, get the sauces. Especially the roasted honey barbecue sauce. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Get the roasted honey barbecue sauce. Go change your life. Anyways, man, shout out Chick-fil-A. Sponsor me.